that do not restrict yourself, do not put yourself in a bracket because that is expected. If they think that women can't do it better, I think the best way to show them is by doing it better. Hi, this is Shweta Tripathi Sharma and you're watching me on Femina India. I like playing women who behave well under difficult circumstances. I like women who are disruptors. I like women who are leading a simple life. फिर उनकी लाइफ में ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन होती है या इवेंट होती है और फिर उनकी जिंदगी में क्या होता है, that change, that for me is very exciting. Unless a character की every day is so exciting, but that evolution, that journey of the character, वो मुझे जानने में, investigate करने में मजा आता है. I want to be at the heart of that evolution. I think all of us should be and can be, all of us, because the thing is, जब हम audience होते हैं, तो every click that we give, it's like voting. So whoever you want to see, whatever kind of stories, content that you want to encourage, you want to see with friends or family or alone, आप जितना वो देखोगे उतना ही वैसा काम बनेगा. So ये responsibility हम सबकी है. You know, one great thing about this industry is the kind of love and respect that I have got from people in the industry, from the audience, and also press and journalists. I have hardly been made to feel that we are not enough. फिर क्या हुआ कि जब ये हुआ, then I knew I have to stand up for this, because every time I take a stand, I'm not just taking a stand for myself, but for everybody जिन पे in some sort of way injustice हुआ है. So that's why I always feel कि अगर आपको कुछ लग रहा है कि कुछ गलत हो रहा है या कहीं नाइंसाफी हो रही है, it's very important to call out. I know it's difficult, but collectively we can do it. And वो होता है ना, वो कहते हैं ना कि be the change you want to see. It is true. So no matter how hard or difficult it is, we have to make that change. If they think that women can't do it better, I think the best way to show them is by doing it better. I would like to tell the Indian women that do not restrict yourself, do not put yourself in a bracket because that is expected. That is what people think, how it should be, how they want you to be. नहीं, मतलब ठीक है. Who you want to be, that is the most important question and that is the most important answer. And ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको ये आज ही जवाब मिल जाएगा. It will take time and it should take time. But do what you want. We are the ones जो हम सबसे ज़्यादा अपने आप को restrict करते हैं. तो for a day or for a moment, just think that if you could do anything, what is the first step towards that? आप last step में मत पहुँचो, पर वो first step चाहे जितना ही छोटा क्यों ना हो, think about it. Because life is happening now. This, everything is life. So I feel वो कल के चक्कर में ना हम आज को जीना भूल जाते हैं. तो वो नहीं करते हैं. जीते हैं, उड़ते हैं.